Good afternoon. I'm Mayor McEnerny-Ogle, Mayor for the City of Vancouver, and today is Friday, March 27th. I'd like to start today by thanking Jeb Baldridge. He's our on-screen American Sign Language interpreter, and Judy Webb, our off-screen hearing interpreter, for joining us today. The media is reporting that Washingtonians' social distancing and hygiene efforts seems to be making a difference to slow the spread, but this improvement is only very modest, and the governor has said time and again we can't ease up yet. The current 2-week stay-at-home order might need to be extended. We'll be monitoring the governor's decision and updating you with any news as soon as we get it. Many local business owners continue to have questions about the essential business definition in the governor's order. The governor has provided a new way for business owners to contact them online to ask if their business is in fact included in that list of essential businesses. We have a link to that online form at the bottom of the video below this on the page. Clark County continues to have a very short supply of testing kits and personal protective equipment. Those are the PPEs. A supply warehouse being operated by CRESA and the Public Health Department are accepting PPEs donated from medical providers, and they're looking for the following supplies: medical gloves, gowns, surgical, and N95 masks. In fact, FEMA, the federal government, has asked us to not wait for PPEs from the federal government to show up, but to take aggressive action now to source our own. They say continue to be resourceful, ask the building trades to donate PPEs or that they may allow you access to their supplier, ask for dental and outpatient offices that are closed to donate PPEs for local hospitals and critical care sites. I'd like to point out that Dennis Campy over at Cascadia Tech Academy found some over at the old Clark County Skills Center, still usable, and thank you to Wellhaven Pet Hospital for their donation also. The federal government has also sent out a couple other notes that our Clark County folks at CRESA are working very hard at. They're looking for the alternate care sites. They're being creative. They're looking for facilities that can support the low acuity patients and require a minimum amount of medical staff. Those are already in short supply, and in fact, a note went out from the governor asking for all retirees, medical contract services, nurses, respiratory therapists, medical students, and emergency medical technicians to come back in. They have a special licensing program where we may need you, and they want to get you registered and trained and ready to go. If you can provide any of those PPEs on the list, then please email covidsupplies@cresa911.org. That'll be shown on the screen again. covidsupplies@cresa911.org. They'll contact you and schedule a time and a drop-off location. The city has also released a new emergency order today related to public access to the police and fire buildings. This emergency order continues to suspend Vancouver fire station tours and public access, and it closes all of our Vancouver Police Department buildings. The order allows public access to non-emergency law enforcement services by appointment only. Appointments can be made between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and here's the phone number: 360-487-7500. Again, 360 487-7500 for appointments for non-emergency law enforcement services by appointment. This order will remain in effect until the end of April, April 30th, unless it's extended or changed or canceled by the Vancouver City Council or the city manager. In fact, all of our emergency orders that have been issued by this city in response to the COVID-19 can be found on www.cityofvancouver.us/coronavirus. Just look at the city website, you'll find them. Public restrooms. Public restrooms are being maintained in 5 locations in the city: Esther Short Park, Marshall Park, the Marine Park Boat Launch, Leroy Hagan Memorial Park, Divine Park, and the Burnt Bridge Creek Trail. Again, Esther Short Park, Marshall Park, the Marine Park Boat Launch, Leroy Hagan Memorial Park, Divine Park, and the Burnt Bridge Creek Trail. The restrooms are open from 5 to 8 daily. They're being thoroughly cleaned twice a day using EPA-registered disinfectant for human coronaviruses. However, it's important to know that the sanitation cannot be guaranteed between cleaning, and soap and other hygiene supplies will not be available at all times. The city is working to maintain these facilities, keep them safe, but visitors are asked to use your own decision about using them. The Portland Loo, the public bathroom located at Vancouver Waterfront Park, also remains open with a varied cleaning schedule. It's vitally important that you stay home as much as you can and possibly remember to practice that social distancing to continue to stop the community spread of COVID-19. Please stay safe and healthy this weekend. We care about you and our entire community. And these are very difficult times. We understand that. Please stay informed, stay strong, and stay at home. More than anything, be kind to each other. Call your mother, call a friend, check on those people who are isolated. Be sure to go to our website for the latest updates and information. We'll check back with you on Monday. Thank you, and please take care of yourself.